Assalamu alaikum, dear 6th class students. Let us continue our lesson, the Kashmiri Shawl, where we are writing the answers of the questions given. Question number 6 is, how is Kashmiri Shawl different from the European one? Answer, Kashmiri shawls are different from the European ones because it is woven in single piece, while as the European one in several pieces, and they then sewn. They also trimmed their shawls, which weakened the shawl. Question number 7. Why are shawls so popular? Answer, shawls are so popular because they give elegancy to one's personality and protection against cold. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Write T or F in the boxes. यानी बुनकन स्टेटमेंट दिथ अशवन सही स्टेटमेंट किन गलत अगर सही स्टेटमेंट छो तेल बॉक्स बिथ अत मज लेखुन टी अगर गलत छो तेल बॉक्स मज लेखुन एफ नाज बेग visited Kashmir in 1836. False. Josephine got a Kashmiri shawl from Akbar. False. It was not Akbar, it was Napoleon. Pashmina wool is taken from a goat. False. Europeans could not copy the Kashmiri shawl. False. True. The Kashmiri shawl is made in Europe. False. Mughal visited Kashmir more than a century after Burner. It is true. European women preferred the Kashmiri shawl to their own. It is also true. Now, question is, Kashmir is the place where Kashmiris live. Kashmir is जाय कशमीर रोजान छ. They speak Kashmiri. Tim छ कशमीर बोला. Make similar statements about the following. यमन मुतलिक छ ऐसी इथी statement बनाओ. Place, people, the language. Britain is the place. Is the place where British Britain is the place where British live. They speak English. They speak English. China is the place where Chinese live. They speak Chinese. They speak Chinese. Israel is the place Israel is the place where Israel is the place Israel is the place where Israel is. Yes. They speak Hebrew. They speak Hebrew. Palestine is the place where Palestinians live. They speak Arabic. Japan is the place where Japanese live. They speak Japanese. America is the place where Americans can live. They speak English. Saudi Arabia is the place where Arabs live. They speak Arabic, Arabic. Holland is the place where Dutch live. They speak Dutch. Ireland is the place where Irish live. They speak Irish. Thank you.